violet, smiling soup so slow. B is for bear, baking cakes that glow. C is for cat, kneading dough just right. D is for dog, flipping pancakes light. E is for elephant, pouring milk with care. F is for fox, adding spices here and there. G is for giraffe, making smoothies bright. H is for hippo, slicing cake just right. I is for iguana, cutting fruit so sweet. J is for jaguar, making pizza neat. K is for kangaroo, mixing up the dough. L is for lion, grilling veggies slow. M is for monkey, blending drinks so fun. N is for narwhal, rolling sushi one by one. O is for owl, baking muffins high. P is for penguin, icing cookies bye-bye. Q is for quokka, making fruit so fresh. R is for rabbit, frosting cakes the best. S to Z, what could they be? Let's keep cooking and you will see.